The Holstein dairy cow is raised in a commercial standard industrial breeding room to ensure natural leather quality for the luxury coat.
The Holstein dairy cow enters the leather coat production process following industrial satisfying standards with 85 synchronized steps.
The Holstein dairy cow is processed at a legal facility to obtain leather according to international commercial standards.
The Holstein dairy cow leather is separated following legal industrial process, preserving the natural black-white color.
The Holstein dairy cow leather is scanned to classify by thickness and natural black-white pattern. The Holstein dairy cow leather selects only pieces with balanced pattern coloring for luxury coat production. The Holstein dairy cow leather must be strong enough so the coat lasts long while keeping shape and natural color. The Holstein dairy cow leather is washed clean to prepare for tanning and preserving natural color. The Holstein dairy cow leather is tanned to become soft and maintain natural black-white color for a long time. The Holstein dairy cow leather is stretched evenly to maintain form, so the black-white color doesn't warp when dry. The Holstein dairy cow leather is softened, so the coat wears comfortably while maintaining high durability. The Holstein dairy cow leather is scanned to create accurate coat patterns, optimize black-white pattern, and reduce waste.
The Holstein dairy cow leather pieces are sewn on industrial line with satisfying click-click rhythm, creating complete coat. Holstein dairy cow in the industrial breeding room is the legal source for the premium leather industry, ensuring quality and traceability. The Holstein dairy cow leather coat achieves satisfying industrial luxury feeling through process evenness and natural beauty of black-white leather.
The Holstein dairy cow leather coat, from industrial breeding room to premium finished product, represents a satisfying process.